Welcome to ASAP Systems. We're a full barcode, inventory, and asset tracking solution for all types of organizations. Keep watching to find out how we help the professional referee organization take their inventory and asset tracking to the next level. As a major player in the professional sports industry, the Professional Referee Organization, PRO, is responsible for managing the top referees for the men's and women's soccer leagues throughout the United States and Canada. We are so excited to help them as they have a considerable amount of valuable inventory and assets to keep track of. Since the referees travel all across North America, they needed a secure and cloud-based software, and we came to their rescue. For their inventory, PRO tracks about 150 stock items such as game day uniforms, training gear, and various items from vendors and sponsors. Every stock item has a variety of sizes, colors, styles, and they also need to be refreshed or redistributed as needed due to wear and tear or loss. This makes it very difficult to stay organized if you do not have the right system. Luckily, PRO utilizes our inventory system to ensure that they have sufficient quantities of each item, allow for replacement and easy distribution, and use barcodes to easily scan from various locations. With our all-in-one solution, organizations like PRO could track both inventory and assets at the same time. They have hundreds of valuable assets that are essential to run their business, such as computers, AV equipment, mobile office equipment, sports science wearable, fitness test equipment, medical equipment, and general sports science equipment. The Professional Referee Organization went to 4 different companies, and after doing research and demos, ASAP Systems proved to be the best solution. An employee at PRO claimed the moderate price point, training support, and crossover features allowed our company to proceed with BarCloud over its competitors. Give us a try and schedule your first demo with us today. Invest into your future with ASAP Systems. And of course, stay tuned for more videos detailing the cutting-edge inventory and asset tracking technologies and benefits we offer.